how to add or remove the extra dim shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. And then scroll down. In here, tap on extra dim, tap on the left hand side panel. And in here, tap on extra dim shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now tap on our left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcut to use. There are 3 different shortcuts. The first one is the tap accessibility button. So that's the one down here at the bottom. When I tap on that, it will open up a menu and I can quickly access the extra dim shortcut to turn it on or off. Another shortcut is to assign the side and the volume up buttons, so the side and the volume up buttons, to turn on the menu. And from the menu, you can choose to turn it on or off. And lastly is the press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So with the volume up and down combo, press on both keys and hold for 3 seconds. This will allow you to access the shortcuts from the menu. So here, tap on extra dim to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.